Let's get real, folks. In the business world, trust isn't just a nice to have, it's everything. It's the secret sauce, the deal maker, the game changer. Think about it. When you trust a brand, you're more likely to buy from them, right? You're more likely to become a loyal customer. You're more likely to tell your friends about them. Why? Because trust equals confidence. It means believing in a brand's promises. It means feeling good about handing over your hard-earned money. Without trust, you're just another faceless entity in a sea of noise. You become forgettable. You blend in, you lose. Ever heard the saying, seeing is believing? That's social proof in a nutshell. We're naturally wired to look to others for guidance, especially when making decisions. Think about it. When you're about to try a new restaurant, you probably check out the reviews, right? Same goes for online purchases, choosing a service provider, or even deciding which brand of sneakers to buy. We want to know what others think. We want reassurance that we're making the right choice. That's why testimonials, reviews, case studies, and user-generated content are so powerful. They provide that much-needed social proof, showing potential customers that others have tried and loved your brand. Transparency is the new black. No, seriously. Consumers today are demanding it. They want to know what's going on behind the scenes. They want to see the good, the bad, and the ugly. And you know what? Being open and honest about your business practices, even your flaws, can actually boost trust. It shows you're authentic. It shows you're human. It shows you have nothing to hide. Share your story. Be upfront about your values. Don't be afraid to admit when you've made a mistake. People appreciate honesty. Remember, transparency builds trust, and trust builds loyalty. Section 5, from transaction to relationships, the engagement advantage. Here's a little secret. Trust isn't a one-way street. It's about building relationships, not just racking up transactions. That means engaging with your audience, responding to comments, having real conversations, and showing that you care about what your customers think and feel. Social media is your secret weapon here. Use it to build community, listen to your audience, provide value, and answer questions. The more you engage, the more you humanize your brand. And the more human you become, the more trust you build. Section 6, case study. Warby Parker nailed the trust game. They offer stylish, affordable eyeglasses, committed to social good and customer experience, transparent manufacturing and charitable partnerships, donating a pair for every pair purchased, home try-on program, convenient and risk-free, engaged on social media, addressing concerns, cultivated a loyal following, disrupting the eyewear industry. Section 7, the Trust Building Toolkit. Your guide to winning hearts and sales. Ready to take your trust game to the next level? Here are a few tools to add to your arsenal. Embrace social proof. Showcase testimonials, reviews, and user-generated content. Let your happy customers do the talking. Become a storytelling master. Share your brand's journey, values, and mission. Connect with your audience on an emotional level. Under-promise and over-deliver, exceed expectations. Go above and beyond to wow your customers. Own your mistakes. Be transparent when things go wrong. Apologize sincerely and make amends. Never stop engaging. Respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in conversations. Section 8, it's your turn. Share your trust, triumphs, and tumbles. Now I want to hear from you. What are your biggest trust wins and fails? Have you had any experiences with brands that totally nailed or completely bombed the trust factor? Share your stories in the comments below. Let's learn from each other and build a community of trust-driven brands. Section 9, stay connected. More trust-building gold coming your way. This is just the beginning, folks. Stay tuned for more insights, tips, and strategies on building unshakable trust with your audience. Remember, trust is a journey, not a destination. But with the right approach, you can turn skeptical scrollers into loyal customers who believe in your brand as much as you do.